If you love Nigerian home cooking, either home and abroad, simple weekly meal prep, and realistic family meals, you are in the right place. Today, I'm cooking multiple dishes in one day, from my grilled chicken to spinach stew, stir fry, rice, pasta, and more. So let's cook for the week together. I've already prepped some of my ingredients to save time. My blended pepper mix, chopped spinach, fresh vegetables, my titles, my chicken breast, some chicken wings, and the protein in general. Everything is clean, ready, and then organized for smooth cooking. I will start with my chicken and I will lay them out neatly on the tray and pop them into the grill. You can even use any protein of choice. As today's cooking, I'm using chicken. This gives me a deep smoky flavor and it saves time while I cook other meals. A very juicy, well seasoned grilled chicken with a rich smoky aroma. It is perfect for pairing with rice or veggies. While the chicken grills, I will multitask. I'll put water on the stove for the pasta and brown rice. You can use brown pasta, but my children don't really like brown pasta. While we are eating healthy, I'm going to be making white pasta for them and they are going to be pairing it with my stir fry. So I will go ahead and then once the pasta is soft, I will add a little bit of oil. At this point, the pasta is soft. I'm just checking it out. Then at the end, I will add some parsley to it. I will add a little bit of oil. I'm using sesame oil. You can use sunflower oil or any oil of choice. That is just for flavor and shine. A light herb pasta, very simple, very comforting, and it is perfect for quick meals. I'm also cooking brown rice. As you all know that at this point I'm trying to multitask, like cooking 2 to 3 things at a point, while at the same time I will check on my grilled chicken to make sure it's cooking evenly, and I will finish up the brown rice and set it aside for meal prep. I'm going to be using some salmon fish, which for this meal prep. So the salmon fish, I'm going to be pairing it with some spinach stew and boiled plantain. Now I'm going to add some oil in my brown rice. I'm short of oil, so I have to bring out another one, and I'm going to just mix it together. Brown rice is different from white rice, so I just have to add this oil so that it can be separated. It won't be sticky, and you want to make sure that because this is meal prep, we are still going to be eating it during the week. It will last for 3 to 4 days. Okay, and everything we are going to be doing, we are going to make sure that we are saving time. Okay, and we are also eating healthy. Next, I will move on to my chicken breast. I stir fry it lightly in the oil because I'll be using it for my broccoli and mixed veg stir fry. On the other side, I'm going to cut the plantain. I'm going to be boiling it. I've added a little bit of salt in there, and I'm going to be cooking that aside. Okay, while the chicken cooks. In the same pot that I use in frying the chicken breast, I will saute some homemade onions and scotch bonnets, and I will go ahead and add my bell peppers. I'm using green and yellow bell peppers. You can even use add red bell peppers, okay, just to make it colorful, and you will love it. This is where the flavor starts, I'll tell you. Then after then I will saute it for 3 minutes, fry it for 3 minutes, sorry, and then I will add my mixed veg, fry it a little bit, and then I will go ahead and add the broccoli. Then I will go ahead again and season it with some bouillon cube, a little bit of salt. If you have aromat seasoning, you can add it. It gives the stir fries a good taste. And then I will return the chicken and then add the shrimp, and just like that it is ready. What I'm trying to do is to make sure that I carried my family along with me. this year in order to eat healthy. Okay, so if you are interested, if you want, I can also give you my timetable. Okay, Monday to Friday. Or if you're interested in the breakfast, you can let me know. I can always give you that. If you're interested in the lunch or dinner, you can let me know. I'll give you the list of how you are going to be preparing this meal. Or if there's more time, I can let you know how I'm going to be what I'm going to be preparing with the order. Okay, in order to eat good and healthy during the week. You will not have to stress yourself during the week, especially if you're a busy mom like me. We have our 9 to 5 job, and then you come home, just warm something, and then you are good to go for the week. So now the stir fry is ready. It is colorful, protein packed stir fry with crunchy vegetable, juicy chicken and shrimp, healthy but very satisfying. At this point, my boiled plantain too is ready and they are all set aside. Now I will make my spinach stew, very rich, very hearty and packed with flavor. This is one of those meals that taste even better as the days go by. Spinach stew can even go like 4 to 5 days. That is why you have to just make sure that you prepare this very well so that it can last you. A very classic Nigerian spinach stew, very rich, very nourishing and full of depth. If you at this point, if you are still watching, thank you so much for joining me, for cooking with me for this week. I really appreciate you, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and then we are good to go. After this spinach, now I'm trying to add the spinach. I removed the fish. I don't want this fish to scatter, so I have to remove it, and then I'll add the spinach. I will cook it for like 10 minutes more before going ahead to add the fish. I love crayfish. If you love crayfish, you can add it, but if you don't like crayfish, you don't have to. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and add the fish. I'm using Titus fish. If you have dry fish, of course you can go ahead and add the dry fish, but on my channel, nothing is a waste. Use what you have to bring out something delicious and nourishing for yourself. We are not wasting money this year. We are going to be eating healthy, and we are going to be saving a lot. So that is it. The spinach stew is ready. At this point, I'm trying to cut the carrot and cucumber for the week. That is also ready. The spinach stew is ready, and I'm going to set them aside. I will also go ahead and prepare a very simple fish sauce with Titus. I have to grill some of the Titus, and I'm using it for the fish sauce. I will saute some onion, and I will add some of my pepper mix. Okay, the Titus fish, very light, delicious, and they are really perfect with rice. You can have this with your boiled plantain, and you are good to go. Once the pepper sauce thickens, I will season it with salt, stock cube, and a little seasoning of my choice. Okay, and I will gently add my cleaned and fried Titus fish into the sauce. I also go ahead to add some fried chicken. Okay, I'm careful not to stir too much so the fish doesn't break. So I'm just trying to make sure that it doesn't break. I spoon the sauce over the fish so it absorbs all the flavor. You get it. I will let it simmer for a few minutes on low heat until everything comes together. Okay, once everything is ready, I portion the meal into containers. This makes the week easier, save time, and help us eat home cooked food every day. I also made lentil moi moi off camera, soft, protein rich, and perfect for breakfast or dinner. And this is our weekly family meal prep. If you enjoy cooking with me, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Let me know in the comment section if you will be giving all this meal a try. Bye.